Here's the draft inducer motor I was describing. It's very noisy. It's actually quiet down a little bit, but it's still very noisy. Big igniter. Ignition. Furnace is obviously running. Lower motor's on. Motor getting very noisy. This exhaust motor right here, called a draft inducer motor. It pushes the exhaust out the flue pipe, and it actually pulls the combustion process through the furnace heat exchangers. There's two heat exchangers, and this exhaust fan is very important. There's two pressure switches, switch 1 and switch 2 back here. And if this fan slows down, the switches will not close, the furnace will not operate. So right now it is working. However, the motor is very noisy, and I replace these motors weekly on this particular model furnace. It's a good furnace, but these motors do wear out, unfortunately, and that's with all brands. They take a lot of wear and tear in the wintertime. But the furnace is working. I don't know how long it'll stay working for. That's why I suggest replacing these parts sooner than later. Okay, I'm going to post this up on YouTube and send you the link. Thank you.